If Steam is refusing to launch and you're seeing error 11, the good news is this is usually a system or file conflict, not a permanent problem. In most cases, Steam is being blocked by a stuck background process, a locked update file, or a corrupted cache file. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Steam error 11 step by step, and I'll also show you the safest way to clear the files that commonly cause this issue. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, let's deal with the most common cause, a hidden Steam process that is still running in the background. Even if Steam looks closed, a ghost process can stay active and stop the app from relaunching properly. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. If it opens in the simpler view, click More Details so you can see the full list of processes. Then go to the Details tab at the top. Here, look for every instance of Steam.exe, Steamwebhelper.exe, and SteamService.exe. If you see any of them, right-click each one and choose End Task. Do this carefully and make sure you end every Steam-related process you can find. This step is important because one leftover process can keep Steam's files locked and trigger error 11 again. Once all Steam tasks are closed, go ahead and relaunch Steam normally. If Steam opens now, the issue was most likely a stuck process. If it still fails, don't worry because we can move on to the next fix. The next step is to clear the files that often get locked or corrupted during an update. This is where the package and blob files come into play. Open File Explorer and navigate to your Steam installation folder. On most PCs, that will be C:\program files x86 \Steam. Inside this folder, look for a folder named Package. Delete that folder completely. If you see a file named ClientRegistry.blob, delete that as well. Keep in mind that newer versions of Steam may not include this file, so if you don't see it, that's perfectly normal. These files can become stuck or damaged, and removing them forces Steam to rebuild what it needs the next time it starts. After deleting those files, restart Steam again. When Steam opens, it should automatically repair itself and recreate any missing data. In many cases, that is enough to clear error 11 and get the launcher working again. If you're still having trouble after that, the issue may be caused by permissions, security software, or another application interfering with Steam in the background. But for most users, ending the Steam processes and clearing the package and blob files will solve the problem. So to recap, first end all Steam-related tasks in Task Manager, then delete the package folder and ClientRegistry.blob file from your Steam directory, and finally relaunch Steam so it can self-repair. These steps are simple, fast, and safe when done correctly. If this tutorial helped you fix Steam error 11, please leave a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting videos, and let me know in the comments what worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.